Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove bank account from Amazon shopping app. So in order to do this, first of all, navigate to your Amazon application. After opening the application, you'll be on your home page. So you'll have home, you, more, cart and menu option. Here you'll have to click on you option and select your account. Now you'll have your orders, account settings, Amazon Pay, message center and 3 more options. Now, you'll have to simply search for Amazon Pay and in this section, click on Manage Payment Options. After you click on Manage Payment Options, you'll have to click on Edit Payment Method for a current order. So by clicking on this button, you can edit your payment method for your current order. So click on this and it is going to take you to this page. As you can see, I don't have any order placed in the last 3 months. That's why I'm unable to see my bank account on this page. But if you'll have placed any order or you're going to place any order or you'll have attached your bank account to Amazon, you will see that option just right here. Just click on the edit button under any of the bank account you'll have added and you'll get the remove bank account option just right there. So simply click on remove and that is quickly going to remove your bank account from the Amazon shopping application. So that's how you remove bank account from Amazon shopping app. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.